Disasters are horrible things, but they also present this opportunity to build back better. These fires were exacerbated by climate change. We are sitting here in January and it's really dry. We haven't seen any water. And a year ago, we had incredible flooding. So a lot of stuff grew and now we have a lot of things to burn. We really have to think about how do you get the incentives in place so that people are incentivized to build with fire-resistant materials? And how do you get them to build back fences that can't burn down and create fire buffers? We have this whole set of solutions that we know would make it less prone to burn when the next fire comes. But often our economic incentives aren't there to do the right thing. And so you see countless examples after hurricanes, after fires, after all kinds of natural disasters that we build back the same buildings. And I think we really have to resist doing that this time. We have to get the right economic incentives so that these builders want to use the right things and do the right things, and that homeowners have the incentives to select the right things. So I think that there's a huge role of policy here. My research group right now is really focused on how do we decarbonize the energy sector faster, how the demand side, so how all of us can modify our behavior to incorporate renewables more effectively, and really get some of the carbon dioxide out of our energy system. I also look at the tensions between energy and water management. So our water sector requires a lot of energy to move it and to treat it and to get it to the people that need it. And on the other side of that nexus, I look a lot at the water consequences of the energy sector. So whether it's our power plants or our biofuels or our hydropower plants, water is a critical input to the energy system. So I'm really looking at these tensions between the energy system, the water system, and then the climate system.